black and gray. Same sad news, just a different day. Why these kids have to test those waters? Hearts are broken, the town's a wreck. Churches saying prayers for all of these addicts. Times of trouble and neighborhoods up to no good. No good, no good. Blaming crack cocaine, methamphetamines for those broken smiles on the bended knees. This abuse, lost and confused. Oh my God, for heaven's sakes, didn't you say that you could part those waters? Please save our sons and our daughters. In days not so long ago, football stars and our homecoming heroes. Dark choices, they can bury the fallen. Pretty girls wearing masquerade. Confidence in the pills they take. Innocence is stolen way too soon. Way too soon. Blaming crack cocaine, methamphetamines for those broken smiles on the bended knees. This abuse, lost and confused. Oh my God, for heaven's sakes, didn't you say that you could part those waters? Please save our sons and our daughters. Save our sons and our daughters. Overtime for the mothers. There's no sign of the fathers. Come on, let's break the bender. I pray, Jesus, your hearts they surrender. Blaming crack cocaine, methamphetamines for those broken smiles on the bended knees. This abuse, lost and confused. Oh my God, for heaven's sakes. Blaming crack cocaine, methamphetamines for those broken smiles on the bended knees. This abuse, lost and confused. Oh my God, for heaven's sakes, didn't you say that you could part those waters? Please save our sons and our daughters. Save our sons and our daughters. Please save our sons and our daughters. Save our sons and our daughters. Please save our sons and our daughters.